Hey guys, I'm Lauren and welcome back to Mix and Roll. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Valentine's Day cake. Let's get started. For this Valentine's Day cake, I made a strawberry cake and I started making my batter. Once I finished making the batter, I poured them into prepared pans and put them in the oven. I made 4 layers of cake, but I only used 3. I gave the cake a nice crumb coat. When the crumb coat was chilled, I did a final coat and I put some sprinkles on the bottom, which had gold, red, white, pink. Next, I used a heart-shaped cookie cutter and I pressed it into the cake. Then I filled a bag with red icing and a small star tip, and I'm going to use this to pipe dots onto the heart. While I was doing this, I was trying to make this arrow thing, but I ended up messing it up. So sometimes you might make mistakes, but that is okay. Just keep going and believe in yourself. I added some daubs on top of the cake, and that is the finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye, guys!